Me face painting. Womba program is very important. When do first time, she moved Chorkor for the second time. No fellow baja for Dubai. She need that no shake. Been one ale nakai. No, and I mean she me yamemba. One was on the moji. What's a fear? We have back. No fellow baja for Dubai here. No, I be a one.
I'm glad you got for local. She made sure me get Jack Berry. The future planning committee can Womba Street Art Festival in Jamestown. Na art website area no ke other activities maybe I dey 6 o'clock ya when music concert ko no wa fe o si kan park no ke o shede me amount stage dey me no wa fe music concert gbekemi by 6 going about the music she be no ke o na art ya no ni me hu ya amemba na me pe art ka ke Womba ganwe mo ni Womba ganwe mo tun ake be Jemu kume menu kake wo be me fa Womba ni wo ba fe like local unique yeah Jamestown street name no na street no.
So I'm Tamara. It's my first time coming here, but then I like everything about here. I came here because of their culture and everything. So I'm really enjoying the place. So I'm now here. So I'm here to experience whatever they are offering us. I want to see things about the program and then everything. So I'm here to enjoy. So when I go through and I come back, whatever I see, I'll give you feedback.
People know me as Atamius Spencer, and my name is Emmanuel Atamius. Yeah. But people know me as Atamius Spencer.
Where are you coming from? Where are you living?
I'm coming from Cape Coast, but now I stay at Accra here. Havana. Oh, pencil art is what I do. Yeah, that's my profession.
How long have you been doing it?
Like 5 years now, after completing messages.
Why did you decide to go into pencil art?
I decided to go into pencil art business because that I have some kind of passion and interest in it.
Yeah. Why are you here? What are you doing here and what is happening here?
Yeah, here what is happening is, what is happening? We are at Womba Festival, so it's all about art. So I come here to, do what I can do. So we are all just trying to help.
Yeah. How is the experience? It's been the first edition. Like, what's the first expectation?
My expectation.
How is it like being first time joining the art festival?
Oh, I can say it's cool. I'm very happy to be here because I can see I've met so many people in my life, and that's one of the biggest experiences I've experienced here. Yeah. So many people have gone to see me and they have gone to know me, and
I'm very happy for that.
Any words, anything to say about the event?
I would say everything is fine here. I will invite all kinds of artists. I mean, my friends who are artists. I will invite them to be here by next year, by this time. All of them should be here.
How do people find you?
Oh, it was one of my friends who introduced me to one of the organizers. That's how they find me.
So if people want to contact you, how do they find you? Social media, put it out.
My social media handle is Atamils Pencil Art. Yeah, and my mobile number is 055-3546-701. Yeah, that's my contact. That's my WhatsApp line too.
Okay, the main purpose of Womba Art Festival previous years I feel art festival shoot name. She ebalake this year afi ni the festival ne ha wo mami me ke akuchembi opportunity na me feel una ame ho ni na me na shika ke ame display of culture ke na kan bi shi afi ne ya no e bi na ni wo kwe onye water shi ni street akanshi na kan because gama shi wo yo ni once in a year we feel like sunny we can wole ake next year ake ba alo ake ba ni ka ake ba be gama ni nenyishi nge gama ni nenyishi etu aga bubu egbo shi wo festival ni ke afio after omo be ba no don ko ma mi me na me ho ni mejo hey ame ba na me ba he ni na me na income ame na don we feel like no sani won water shi ni wo kenoko Angme Street no Lodi Womba Art Festival ni una bien. Oh, what day she kaje 21st kabata mene Sunday ne 27 ke bekene ke wo je challenge mo drum na je challenge wo be wo gbe na dino wo fe activities from 1st to 7th ne no na ne wo fe video ke an wo manye ne gbo dan manye ne gbo wo tele osono ke so fe no wo kan ke man bi akashi loko ne ke ba ya no wo te ame wo pushia we had mojen for 5 minutes ni wokekwe ise aka ne fe gamanye wonye wo fe loko wo gama shishmono ni wo ba je lebi wo fe ne keni ne ke cheese ni wo fe ship house ni di Shata Beach wo fe at the Santa Mo ya je make a bonfire no we fe for wa cultural dances le un ba je me ameba schedule wo mi se wo yiwa ke wo je ko Shata Beach le opposite actually eni ne guardian le wo ba je ne ke gan move ni we gan gbeke bi na me ho me fio sini wo feel like this time around the sani wo showcase ame wo je ame movie ni gan yue mo so ni wo fi amo batashi ni ball wo kwe ni efefo dani keje nye show kote no wo fe show Salenko last mid me ibala we expect King Jeremy mene ale chetani baba ni fani baba kufiki na tamba Fatozia le Womba Jupiter le ikena ne woshiane ni digbekene wo egbekene le we surprises ni wakaba gamashi ni gamashi mi a she wonu sanjimpi ya no mami she wo flag at the right time wo ba wi na kansane wonye waka ke woku wo yimba ngmeno eja ke wo fe gama edi wo at the right time wo ba chi wo benkebu koni wo jade sane
wo ko meaning na wo yo lo to ba ken ma be about like a program money
okay be won ke game ke me ni ba ja me ba fe die game pe ona ke program ne le internationally wo first edition ne pa ko wo je shi ni it take just a month ko ni wo ke fe preparation ne ni bi ba pa fa won ke wo mambi agashi ameka ya mechi she next year ke ni mo afi wo dromo wo ba fe lodogba na me bi ba sha me I expect artist ni fani gama sheje ale chetani ka ofe noko ofe gamani le gbe ba boy tumi ole ake le un ganlala ni la ke ekome ke King Jeremy ke ekome wo gbekene le bi e ba so wa shi tumo bedo na ne swande ne artworks ko bele un because the street art festival gbek swande mi ne yeso ake wo gbeke bi e ko ni wo bi e amba display the slave trade ne ona ke shaboden chokwe prisoner ni machine nibi pidi no nete no bi e tutuko e wo won display loko ni wo kai tutu wo kai wa ancestors no mambi anake lele wo ye ni wo gboko wo gbekenele nibi ba ya no
Awo